Good day, doctor. So this is the making process of the Keris Warrior, which is the the inspired by the Space Invader. So this is the main screen, and from the main screen we can see that we have the achievement, we have the start game button, we have leaderboard, we have the shop, and for the achievement, this is the codes that do the achievement. So for example, we have set up the achievement data, which we hard coded this, and then we update the achievement UI. We will check the achievement. If you check the player has achieved the achievement or not. If yes, then the achievement UI will be different now. And for the leaderboard, we also have the leaderboard manager. So we store the leaderboard key that we created on the leaderboard server, and then we have functions like we can upload the new record to the leaderboard. We can get the data from the leaderboard. You and yeah, that's for the leaderboard part. So next we have the shop. So for the shop, we have the shop manager. So for the shop, we have two types of shop, which is two types of item, which is one is Keris, another one is Grow. And we have the coins and the UIs and the constant keys that we use to access the player preference. And this is some codes for the shop initialization and the setup and the purchase button also. And yeah, that's for the shops. And we have the show shop panel and hide shop panel. And next we go into a game. So when we click start the game, we will start the game by we'll enter this. And this is the start game. So we will load the game scene, and then after we start the game, and then we start the game. We enter this game scene. You can see there is a game manager, there is shield, there is a player, and the movement also. They also have the player and the UFO. Not the UFO, actually the power ups. So let us see the code. So here is the game manager. Here we will have the information for the enemies, the bullets, and update the UIs, and the player controller handles the player movement and the shooting mechanic. And player health stores the player health and the shields and the bullet and the enemy functions. And this is the power up function.
Assalamualaikum and good day, Doctor. My name is NURUL and I'm the game artist for this project. So after I received the file from HUAM and VINASRI, it is my task to change the overall outlook of the game, including the animation, the UI, the sound effect, and the background music. So aside from that, I also changed from the PC base to the VR base. So here is the PC base. So what I changed the overall look, and where did I took all the sources for the look. For the animation, I use Mixamo. For the UI, I use FreePic, the picture I could find on FreePic. And then for the model, I use Sketchfab, whatever model that is free to download. And then for the sound effect and background music, I use Pixabay. So this is the example for the main menu. So as we can hear, now there's also background music in the game. And I already made a code where that whenever the game detects a button with tag button, it will play a sound effect whenever we click a button. For example, so that's the sound effect. So this inside of the game, as we can see the character already being animated, and also the warrior itself. Aside from that, there is also menu. So whenever we open the menu, the game will be paused, and there are several buttons on the menu. The tutorial button, the restart will restart the game. The home will get us back to the home, and also the exit that will exit from the game. Finally, to convert the game from the PC-based to VR game, I use the XR plugin management and also the XR interaction toolkit. And inside it, I use the XR device simulator so that we can see the game without needing the HMD. So there are some changes in the code as well, for example, the player controller and all. So this is the example scene when we run in the VR. So the player can move left and right and can see around. So as you can see, there's the controller. And when the Keris hit the enemy, it will let out a sound. So that is all from us. Thank you for watching, Doctor.